Now let us understand the difference between two important quantities of physics, that is mass and weight. In practical life, we are using that interchangeably. That means in place of mass, we are using the word weight, and in place of weight, we are using the word mass. Scientifically, these two terms are not same and they are having minute difference. For understanding that, let us take few examples. Suppose I am having one packet of wafers, 500 gram, say. I am having a bag which is having 5 kg of sugar, and still larger example for visualizing, you can imagine that your school bag with your books. Mass is defined as quantity of matter in a body, while weight is gravitational force acting on a body. That means that number of wafers, number of sugar crystals or number of books in your bag is making the mass of that object, of that matter. But that same school bag or the pouch, if I am holding on my shoulder, I will feel its density something different. If I will hold it by hanging, I will feel that it is little bit heavier. If I will put that on my head, again I will feel that the heaviness of that object is reduced. Is it possible scientifically the things which is inside that bag, that number of books are reducing when we are keeping it on our shoulder or on our head, or when we are holding that by hanging? Obviously no. But when we are holding that object hanging, then it is having direct effect of gravitational force on that. And when we are holding that objects on our shoulders, on our head, or on any another surface, then frictional force or muscular force of that object tries to balance that gravitational force. So mass, that is the quantity of matter in that body, in that substance. But the gravitational force acting on a body is its weight. Now we are knowing that force is a vector quantity, so weight is a vector quantity, but mass is a scalar quantity. SI unit of mass is kilogram, while SI unit of weight is Newton. Mass of the object remains constant everywhere, while weight is depending on the value of gravitational acceleration, which is changing from place to place. And as a result, weight of the object is varying, is changing slightly from place to place. The formula for mass we are having from the formula of weight. Weight equals to mass into gravitational acceleration. Just similar to the formula of force, m into A. Mass is measured by beam balance, while weight is measured by the spring balance.